Yes, student, some more characteristics of physisorption, like the third one. Physisorption is a reversible process. Is a reversible process. Reversible process means what? Adsorbent interact with adsorbate. Okay. And now the adsorption takes place, but spontaneously, what the dust, soil, etc. also release out easily from the surface, okay, of the adsorption. That is what the process is. What? Reversible. Process is reversible. Okay. Therefore called a reversible process. Remember here, in this reversible process, the heat is getting released out. That means what? That means the forward process is exothermic in nature. Okay. So on applying Le Chatelier, principle, being adsorption is reversible and exothermic in nature. Exothermic in nature. So on increasing temperature, okay, desorption takes place. Desorption takes place, or we can say what? Adsorption decreases. Adsorption decreases. Okay. Therefore, the adsorption, that is physisorption, takes place at low temperature, not at high temperature. Because if the temperature will be high, on the basis of what Le Chatelier principle, now the endothermic process, which is backward, will take place. Fourth, again, very important thing is what? This is multi-molecular layer formation. Multi-molecular layer formation. Actually what? The physisorption takes place only by van der Waal attraction. There is no true bond, but actually what? Van der Waal attraction. Okay. And it is a universal attraction. Universal means any of the thing can interact. This is called what? It is a universal attraction. Okay. Hence, large number of substance, large number and type, okay, of layers of molecules, okay, may form. Therefore it is called multi-molecular layer formation. Okay. Next one is low enthalpy of adsorption. Low enthalpy of adsorption. Okay. Actually, if there will be true chemical bond, then there is chances that high enthalpy, that is the high energy, will release. But here what? Due to only weaker van der Waal attraction, okay, enthalpy is very low. Enthalpy is what? Low. Isn't it? Next one is physical change. This is only is of what? Physical change. So like that you can deal some more properties simply by reading of the content. Now next type of adsorption is chemical adsorption. Okay. If adsorption takes place by the formation of true chemical bond, okay, like electrovalent bond is formed, electrovalent or covalent bond is formed, electrovalent or covalent bond is formed, okay, called chemical absorption, okay. Now example, atmospheric oxygen, atmospheric O2 reacts chemically by what? Metals, like what? Copper, like what? Aluminium, like what? Iron also. Okay, that is a rusting of iron. It is a chemisorption. Okay, conversion of aluminium into aluminium oxide, that is formation of oxide layer, or the corrosion in the copper surface by the carbon dioxide gases. So this is what called what? Chemisorption. Okay, now you can deal here the characteristics of chemisorption. Okay, so it will be just opposite of physical adsorption. Okay, like here the first one, specificity. What is the meaning of specificity? Only, okay, limited adsorbate can react or absorb by adsorbent. Why? It is because a chemical reaction takes place. Between specific substance. Okay, it is not a universal process. It is what? A specific process. Like this is what? Non-reversible. That is, once the chemical reaction takes place, once chemical adsorption takes place, okay, now adsorbate cannot be removed. Okay, it is not possible that it can be removed from the adsorbate surface, because now they become what? One. So by simple physical process we cannot remove the adsorbate. If you try to remove, the overall layer over the surface will removed, and this will consist what? A compound, not will be a simple component. Like if on the surface of iron and oxygen from the atmosphere will react with each other, now the Fe2O3 dot XH2O will form. So if you will try to remove the rust, the removed rust will consist Fe2O3 dot XH2O. It will not consist only water or only oxygen, but it will be overall substance. Therefore it is what? Non-reversible.